So this is an example of image alt text. This is your image, and your alt text is pizza slice on a plate. This is alt text. Let's move forward. Anchor text, we discussed this terminology in the basic course. Anchor text is the clickable text part of the link. It helps both Google and users to understand what the linked website is about. So this is your body text, and tasty pizza recipe. You are redirecting the user to your website page or to an external page. This is the anchor text. And so if you link to other pages on your website using the right keywords, it may be a signal for Google to rank them higher for these keywords. Here are some best practices when it comes to internal anchor text. Try to avoid anchor text like this post. Do not write this post or click here. If possible, try to describe the link pages in a more specific way. All right. Don't use the same anchor text again and again. Although you may be a little loser with internal links, it is a good to keep some variety in the anchor text. So it has to be unique. You can use synonyms if you want to utilize the same linking. Use synonym and it will help you. Write quality and readable content. No matter how well optimized is your website, you won't rank if your content does not meet the quality ranking criteria, and there is no SEO without quality ranking. You cannot focus on quantity. Previously SEO was about quantity, but in today's era there is no SEO without quality content. So you need to focus a lot on high quality content. There are two on-page factors that describes the quality, and that is content length and the content readability. So the longer your content is, the better your ranking can be. There is a reason. There are many studies suggesting that there is a correlationship between content length and the ranking. The average length of a #1 ranking post is approximately 2000 words. So the average post length in the first SERP, and you can see the first rank is about 2000 words. So these are the average number of words on which the ranking is done. The truth is, it is not the number of words that brings high ranking, but the fact is that long post usually covers the topic in the most comprehensive way. If you are only focusing on the word count and the quality of your content is not good, then this correlation is of no use. Instead of the word count, you should focus on serving the best answer. Readability. Text readability is one of the most important factors that influence the overall UX of your site. Most internet users don't read the text on a page word by word. They just scan for the most important information, and you just need to make your website readable so that users easily navigate through your pages. Page architecture. Structure the page logically and use appropriate headings. Remember that H1 to H6 are semantic tags. They help search engine to understand the hierarchy of your content. They should not be used for the styling purpose. Let me give you an example here. So this is the hierarchy of headings. So the H1 heading 1 is fruits and vegetables. All right. So this is H1. Then H2 is fruits. All right. And then in fruits, mangoes is H3, apples is H3, and pears is H3. Then apples have further classification: red apples, green apples. So this is H4. So this is the hierarchy of your this is the page architecture. This is your page hierarchy. So for the vegetables, H1 is vegetables, H2 is veggies, and in veggies carrot, pumpkins, and your other veggies can be listed. And if there are different categories of carrots, so it will come in H4. So this is how the hierarchy of headings works, and your page architecture should be very good, so that Google reads it well and your website gets indexed. So the other key elements of on-page SEO are to avoid typos on your web pages, on your website. You need to use the right font style that is acceptable in terms of reading. You have to use clean, non-intrusive design. The design has to be simple and clear. Avoid aggressive ads on your website. Make the page easy to navigate. This is another key element. The grammar that is used on your website should be good, and you have to write compelling titles and description in order to get high CTR. So this is all about on-page SEO course, and I believe that you have learned a lot in this particular course, and you have got the basics of on-page SEO, and now you are in a position to execute on-page SEO for your website or for your client website. If you guys have any query related to any of the topic, or you have not developed a good understanding of any of the topic, comment below the video so that I can respond, and I will try to respond maximum possible queries. So that is it for this particular course, and I will be meeting you soon with a new course. Thank you.